What is B-roll? Hey, what's up everybody? It's danamezcua here again with the Mezcua Multimedia and Marketing. So today I thought I'd go over what is B-roll. A lot of people that are outside of the video industry always are wondering what is B-roll. Basically, you have A-roll and B-roll. A-roll is your main footage, the stuff that like you're seeing on me right now. This is A-roll. This that you're seeing right now is B-roll. Think of it kind of like a court document. Let's say that somebody is going to jail for a crime they committed. You want to have supporting evidence. Your A camera is going to be the discussion, the thing that is going on in the courtroom. People are talking about the crime that was committed. The B-roll would be the actual footage of the crime. And so any evidence, anything to support what it is that is being discussed in the A-roll. A lot of times editors will get the footage back and there will be a pause. There's going to be an unnatural or an Typically that's where you want to put a jump cut. Jump cuts on YouTube have become a very common thing. Most of my videos have jump cuts simply because I want to cut down and be able to keep communicating with you. Now real quick, a jump cut is where you take a clip and there's a pause, and so you cut that pause out, and when you put those two clips together, you'll notice that there's a little, did you notice that? So that's a jump cut. But there are a lot of people out there who say a lot. And because of this, you want to be able to go in and crop that out. Well, if you crop those out, you're gonna end up having a lot of jump cuts. So one of the ways that you can eliminate all those visual jump cuts is by putting B-roll over the top. Now you need that B-roll to be something that is in line with what the person is talking about. You can't just put random footage over the top and expect that to work. I have actually seen this happen a lot before in the past. People will take footage of something random just to cover up a bad edit, and it just doesn't work very well. So when you're out there recording, make sure you get supporting shots for all the pieces that you're going to be communicating about. This way, when you go to edit your videos back, you have something that supports what it is you're talking about. And if you're not able to record any additional footage, there are a ton of resources out there on the internet where you can find stock footage. I hope this helps you out. Let me know if you have any questions. Hit me up in the comments below if you do, and we'll see you on the next one.